Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're here at Mohegan Sun Pocono Downs. It's in northern Pennsylvania near Wilkes-barre. This room is on the 4th floor. It has the newer style tap to enter card reader. I like the color schemes in this room. It's really warm and cozy looking. If you turn to the right, here's the bathroom with the toilet, beautiful walk-in shower. The lighting is great, the vanity is great. The mirrors kind of looks a little small, but it's alright. Plenty of hand towels down there. And let's see, when you go back out of the room here, you get a closet. The closet is a little on the small side, looks a little small, but it's got coat racks, coat hangers, ironing board. This room has a king-size bed. You get a seating area with a chair, a bunch of lighting. It's really warm lighting, it looks nice. A really nice painting of the woods up there. Very modern phone, very similar to the phones at Ocean Resort, the former Revel in Atlantic City, where you get all the screen controls. Dresser area. The dresser's kind of small, there's not really a lot of room in there. TV is decent. You get a standard ice bucket with some water and cups, which is really nice if you get a little thirsty. There's a charging station for the iPhone that you can play music through. The lamps have chargers built in. It's only a plug though, there's no like USB or USB-C port. This particular room had a view facing east towards the valet area of the casino and the parking lot. You can see Interstate 81 and the Pennsylvania Turnpike up there in the distance, and the VA hospital, I think it is. So decent view from this room. And the room overall is kind of on the small side, if I'm being honest, compared to a lot of other casino properties I've seen, but they're very decent. Again, I apologize for the vertical video here, but I had a family member record it. Again, please like and subscribe, or give the video a thumbs up and subscribe.